Hi viewers, welcome to our new video and you are watching Mechatronics Solution channels. And today's video we will learn about this starter motor solenoid, how this starter motor working and which components are involved in this solenoids. I will dismantle this solenoid and show you all the components which are involved inside this solenoid. You can see here are the 4 poles, 1, 2, 3 and fourth one is here this side. These are the 4 poles of this solenoids. These 2 poles are connected to the load, and this one and this pole are the control poles. So first I talk about these 2 poles. On this side, the positive battery voltages input coming here directly from the battery, and when this solenoid is energized, these voltages comes on this side, and this side is directly connected to the starter motor, and our starter motor is start moving. And here also coming the positive voltages when the ignition switch is turned to the start position, then voltage is coming here and this solenoid become energized. And this pole is connected to the negative side of the battery through the body of the engine. And this one is a plunger, and this plunger is installed here on the starter motor here. When this solenoid is energized, here you can see these gears. This bendix is come out, and this one is connected to the flywheel, and flywheel is turning. When this solenoid is de-energized, then this will go inside. Okay. So this is in this way this solenoid is working. So now I'm going to dismantle it. It will in off camera I will dismantle it. So here you can see I will remove this screw, and one screw is on this side. Okay, so I hope this will be separated from this part. So here you can see I have dismantled the solenoid. Okay, so inside I can't open this because this plate is very tightly joined to this one. Therefore I take help from the welder, and he will cut this solenoid for me, and then he will cut then the inside all the parts I will show you. So I will go to the my welder. Dismantle it for you people to show you its internal parts and what is inside it. Okay, so here you can see first of all here are two coils. There are 2 windings. One winding is this one, you can see thin one, and other winding is a thicker one. This is a big one, this thicker winding is here, and one this is thin winding. Here are 2 windings. One is called the holding windings, and the other is called a pull-in winding or pull-in coil. And here you can see this is a strip. Okay, this strip, what is the function of this strip? This strip is bridge these 2 terminals. Okay, when these coils are energized, so here make the magnets, and due to that magnets this plungers is go back side like this. Okay, like this, moving like this, and when this pulling back, so this plate bridge these two terminals. You can see here is the one spring is inside. Here you can see this spring. So what is the function of this spring? When this solenoid is de-energized, so this spring is pulled back, this plunger is original position. By using diagram, I will show you the function and the connection of these windings, how these windings working and what is the purpose of these windings. So I will show you, make you understand by using a diagram. So as you can see, this one is a diagram which I made for you people for your better understanding. So you can easily understand by using this diagram. I will talk about the connection of the windings. So here you can see this one is my solenoid. Okay, this is a solenoid and these are the two coils. One is the holding coil and other one is a pull-in coil. Okay, and this one is my start switch. Okay, and here you can see this is the my terminal of the this first pole, and this one is our load pole which connected to the battery through this battery relay. Okay, when our ignition switch is on, this batteries become on, and this battery, when this relay is on, so battery directly voltages come to this point. Okay, and this other terminal, this second terminal is connected to the starter motor. This is my starter motor, and this is my solenoid, and this wire, this terminal is connected to the battery, and this is connected to the starter motor. And here you can see my this side is terminal is a negative. Okay, this is a negative point of the starter motor, and here you can see here's my router. Is a router, you can see router is here. This is my router. So hope you know, easily understand. I show you the original motor and connections. So this one is my starter motor. Okay, and this one is my solenoid. So the connections I show you, what is this coil is one end is connected to the this starter switch, and other end to connected to the body of the solenoid. And this other coil, one end is connected to the start switch, and other end of the coil connected to here, this terminal. I show you. You can see here this end is connected to this switch. Here we put the start switch wire here, and this you can see both wires. One is the thin wire and one is the big wire. These two wires connected to here to the start switch wire is connected here. This is a control pole, and the other side and other thick wire, not thin wire, thick wire is connected, you can see here, and this point is connected to here, and this is this pole is from here, connection goes to the starter motor. So same here, this is a pull-in coil, this thick one is a pull-in coil. So this connections is connected to this one here. This you show, this is my thin wire, this is holding wire. This is connected to, one end is connected to here. Okay, one end of the thin wire is connected is here, and other end show you this is connected to the body of this solenoid here. You can see this one. Understand? So the one ends of both wires is connected to the connected to the start switch here. You can see here. But I let you know how these windings work and how these windings are energized. When key switch is on, when key switch is on position, so voltage is from here, positive side of the battery goes to this relay, battery relay, and this come to here, and negative terminal of the battery is connected to here, to the starter motor. When we key switch turn to the start position, then this switch is on. So voltage from here comes to here, then this wire coming here, and one other end of this coil is connected to the earth. Okay, body of this coil is energized. So how this coil energized? You can see this is coming. This is a motor winding, motor field winding. This one is my router. This middle one I make a router. This one is a router, and this is a field winding. Okay, this field winding coming here, and this field winding is connected to here, this terminal, and this is regulated. So in this way, when this starter is a de-energized position, this coil is also connected to the earth, connected to the negative side of the battery, and this one is also connected to the, through the body is connected to this earth. So when the switch is on, these both coils energized. When these both coils energized, here produce the magnet. When magnet produce, as soon as this plunger is connected, bridge these two terminals. So what happened? This end of the wire is connected to the battery voltage, directly connected to the battery. When this connected to battery, this side is also positive, this end is also positive, so no voltage difference. So this coil become de-energized. It means pole in coil become energized, but this one holding coil is remains energized because the other end is connected to the negative side of the battery through the body of the relay, and this remains is energized whenever these voltages not disappeared. When these voltage disappear, then this relay become, this winding become de-energized. So in this way, these two windings working. So this is actually in the whole video my main purpose. My main purpose was to make you understand how these two holding and winding coils are energized and de-energized. Okay, so hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment box.